I think your next dog. You know what I mean for your next dog, John.
Fidel? Yeah, look at that. Fidel is a baseball player. This is the Cohiba Factory. Nice big picture of Fidel there. On the lounge. The secret lounge. Lots of pictures of Fidel.
Okay, three different kind of flavor for the fillet. So the our leaf, we got the quality enough, and our leaf, of course, responds to the level of complexity we want from our cigars. So, in my opinion, this is the most important role in the factory. Success here pretty much means success by the end. If you mess it up in this part of the process, everything is here happen. This way, please.
So classic Vejique Maduro. Okay. Yeah, Maduro. Oh, sorry.
So,
Yeah. It's really dark.
these are the different kind of leaf we use for rolling a single cigar. Okay. First place, we got Bolado. Bolado will provide combustion. Okay. The speed of the combustion particular leaf came from the bottom of the plant, so received less sunlight. As a result, the leaf is really thin.
Hello. This is the Cohiba Factory. And we've been able to get an exclusive tour of. Very rare. They don't give public tours. But our guide has an in. His son dated, or his daughter dated the production manager. Right there.
Elastic complexion like silk. So we want to achieve, of course, we have to use water for that. This plant grows under a coat, okay? First, it's for protecting for the direct action of the rain, but at the same time, if you reduce the amount of sunlight the plant receives.
Yeah, that's cool. Moistening chamber.
Upstairs, size, color, elastic complexion, and general quality. Here in Cuba, we use traditional way to dry and fermentate the leaf. So by the end of the process, 65.
What's there?
And of course, here we have to make the differentiation for the different line of production.
The star. Yeah, yeah.
You need teaching about cigar. Danilo know everything.
Yeah, but you know about capitalism. You're very good.
This is the heart of the factory. The best place to film the big cigar factory is this place.
Wow, look at this. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Hello. I know.
Cuba, hey, that's not going to
Hola, señor. Nice.
Hey. Hoy. Avenida.
Wow, they get air conditioning.
Place the door regional production. That means several specific clients demand for specific cigars. Okay. The first step is obtaining this information. After that, they send the information to the Institute of Tobacco Research.
Beautiful factory. Oops, sorry. Picture of the front.
I know. Don't any bitches. I know. You know bitches.
Right. Like medicine.
Yo iba a entrar con la gorra de Cohiba, pero me la quité por respeto y dije, déjame cambiarme la política. Exacto. Cuando entré me la quité y digo, déjame ponerme esta para que no haya preguntas.
This is quite a treat to be in. I'm sure not too many people
Dale que mango.
get to come in
Mango
here.
free.
This is very nice. What a, let me see. Wow, that's awesome. I've never seen this. Huh.
The air conditioner is given directly, so the humidity coming down.
Let's see, maybe. Okay. I do a video, thank you. Unbelievable. Yes. So, yeah. I know, I'm taking a picture, maybe she wanted, I'd show her later, come back. Wow.
Where are you from?
Ohio, around Cleveland.
Yeah, I know.
You know LeBron James? Is Cleveland. But we like baseball better. That's nice. And this one, the artist over here.
Ese es chicharrón.
Excuse me.
Chicharrón.
Caron?
Chicharrón.
Okay, all right. Yeah, amazing the art here. You guys, wonderful job you do.
Chicharrón aquí, mira.
Yeah, beautiful. I'll take a picture. Wow. Amazing. Yeah.
Malecón.
Malecon,
O La
yeah.
Habana.
Yeah, very nice. Keep looking.
¿Qué vamos a hacer?
Thank you, gentlemen. Yeah.
The ornament is down.
Wait for you and the food.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm just taking. I got another. I mean, yeah.
Just you? The cat. Who's? Did you do it? Yeah,
It's very nice.
No tiene una botellita vacía que me regale. Recycle.
Yeah.